Hello, my name is Aaron Cunningham. I'm the Director of Research and Analytics at Pensions and Investments. I'm delighted to have with me today Joe Elminger, the Head of Client Solutions at Lake Hill Capital Management. Joe, how are you?
I'm very well, very happy to be here. Nice to see you again.
Likewise. And so, anticipation of our World Pension Summit in The Hague this upcoming November, we have a 13-question, one-word answer interview. Are you ready?
I'm ready. 13 words. Okay.
But before we dive in, could you tell us a little bit about your firm and what you do in your organization?
Sure. Lake Hill Capital Management is an options-based investment management firm. We specialize in one thing and one thing only, and that is delivering hedging solutions as well as yield enhancement solutions to institutional clients using exchange-listed options exclusively. We primarily focus on risk mitigation strategies, and we serve institutional clients around the world with a variety of customized strategies.
Perfect. Thank you. Well, options have never been more important with the crazy world that we're in. So I'll be interested to hear how that works out in our interview. We're setting a few ground rules.
Okay.
You can only say one word and answer to the responses. There are 3 exceptions. You can give me a no comment if you'd like to pass. You can clarify in one answer, or if you want, you can go back and change one answer.
Ready. Let's do it.
All right, let's dive in. What's the biggest theme in our sector of institutional investing right now?
It has to be artificial intelligence. I mean, that's it. Everyone's talking about it.
AI, perfect. And what's the one thing happening in the wider world, so not investing specifically, I guess artificial intelligence plays in a little bit, that is going to have a significant impact on institutional investing that you're worried about, that keeps you up at night?
Well, nothing keeps me up at night because I'm long convexity.
All right. So options do have the ability to let you sleep better. All right. So nothing. That's good. If you're insured and you're good to go, you don't need to worry. Perfect. Love that. Question number 3. What asset class are you most optimistic about over the long term, over the next decade?
I wouldn't have said this before, but I'm starting to become a convert. Digital assets.
All right. So cryptocurrencies.
Yeah.
Perfect. Love that. And then which one are you least optimistic about? So of course, with options, you can go short as well. So if you wanted to, what do you think?
Probably say fixed income.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. And then you talk to a ton of clients, as you mentioned, all around the world. What is the biggest challenge you're hearing from them right now, today?
The biggest challenge is balancing risk and reward. The risks are higher and newer, and the rewards are less obvious. And finding the appropriate balance, which is a portfolio manager's primary job, is more difficult.
And then what about the flip side of that, the biggest opportunity that you're seeing today?
Again, I go back to AI. Without a question, it's a brave new world. So the opportunities are, I don't know what they are, but they seem to be enormous.
Let's just take a little bit of liberty. In terms of options, is there any particular way that you would advise clients to invest in AI? Is that going maybe option strategy on specific stocks or any sort of benchmark to take advantage of that?
To be successful in options investing requires a huge investment in technology generally. That has always been the case. It's not like trading a single stock. If you look at the S&P 500 alone, there's at least 25, maybe 30,000 unique options available to buy or sell every minute of every trading day. AI will help with that, but it's always been a critical aspect of success in the options market is to have a huge investment in technology integrated platform. So AI will assist generally. I can't be any more specific than that.
And then as you're talking to clients and in all your different meetings, what's the buzzword for 2025, if there is one?
At least in the United States, it's the democratization of alternatives, right? Private equity suddenly coming into your 401k program, that sort of thing, this seems to be the newest buzzword.
All right, it's in DC. And then obviously you can have options against gray swan events, so low probability but big impact. But is there any gray swan that you're worried about, like another COVID happening, for instance?
That's it. It's a massive market shock. Whatever precipitates that massive market shock, right? Government defaults. It's probably not a geopolitical thing. The unknown unknowns, right? No one saw COVID coming. Some people saw the GFC coming. Maybe some people saw the tech bubble bursting. It's some sort of massive market shock precipitated by whatever causes it. That's it. And we protect people against that for a living. So.
And then, as I mentioned, we are doing this interview in run up to the upcoming conference, and we were hoping to get to know you a little bit better personally. Would you be okay with a couple of semi-personal questions as well?
Yes, be fine.
All right. Thank you for being a good sport. If your colleagues were to describe you in one word, what would that word be?
Wow. Tenacious?
Tenacious. All right. Love that. And then if you were to describe yourself in one word, what would that word be?
Old. So old.
Could have said wise. I would have gone with wise. Okay. Tenacious and old. We'll say it. And then what's one fun fact or thing that you do in your free time, a hobby that you'd like to share with our audience?
Well, I am a bob skeleton racer.
Oh. Amazing.
Skeleton, the winter sport, the sliding sport of skeleton, head first.
Wow.
Yeah. There's not a lot of people who do it. I do it.
No, that's great. And then you must be excited about the upcoming Olympics as well.
I am.
All right. There we go. Perfect. So thank you for sharing that. And of course, the self-interest question, you are a veteran of the World Pension Summit, so we're so excited to have you back in The Hague. What are you looking forward to the most about this year's upcoming conference?
It's meeting new people. It's always that. It's just such a great gathering place, interesting people getting together, and that's what it's all about for me. So that's what I'm looking forward to again. I haven't been there for a couple of years, so I'm excited to come back.
Perfect. Well, thank you for that, and we will see you in a couple of weeks.
All right. Thank you.